Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we have to see how to make these beautiful certificates with PowerPoint. To know all the steps you have to watch the video till end. So we are going to start with the PowerPoint. Let's start. Start PowerPoint. Insert new slide. Go to design. Slide size. Custom slide size. Then select from the pop-up menu A4 size, landscape, maximize, OK. Then again go to insert. First you have to go to view and turn on ruler and guides. Then go to insert, select rectangle, drag it down. Give it the shape that I have just given. You have to watch it carefully. No outline. Right click, edit points. Then come to the center. Right click, edit point. Select it and drag it inward. See the cursor carefully. Then again right click, smooth points. The shape is done. Now we have to put some formatting. Right click, format, fill, picture fill, file. We have to select the file that we want to add in this picture. Select your saved file. Saved picture that you want to put in your certificate. Then go to the transparency, fix the transparency as per your requirement and the other formatting as per your requirement. Then go to insert, select donut shape, drag it down. See where my cursor is going, what shape I have given. Then rotate it and put it over there to cut it. Then Control D to make a copy, to create a duplicate of the same one, and then fix it according to the way I am doing. Then press shift, the first shape and then the second shape that we have to cut. Then go to merge shapes and subtract. Then do the same again with the other shape that you have to cut. Then again subtract. See, the formatting like this will be done. Go to the insert menu, select an oval, put it over there on the left bottom upper side. No fill color, no guideline. Edit text, write logo. This is something for logo of the different institution organization is different, so you can put your logo over there. No outline. Then again go to insert text, drag it down, write certificate, align it center, Select the font that you want to select as per your requirement, whatever appeals you, and whatever formatting you want to give to your writing font, you can do that very easily. There are lots of formats and font styles given in PowerPoint. See, whatever appeals you, you can put. Presented to, proudly presented to. Change the font style. To create duplicate, Control D. Write name, first name and the last name. Further text that you want to add, then select it all and minimize it, and change the font size as well. You have to fix them properly to make a proper certificate, to give a proper shape to it. Then go to insert, select a line, draw it in the bottom, straight line, give it black color, create its duplicate, insert text box, write date, align center, drag it up, duplicate, write signature, see the certificate is almost done. If you want to put some icons or some pictures like award pictures or some logos, you can again go to the design menu, go to insert, write the company name under the logo, I want to change my background color, then I will go to the format, then I will select the grayish color. I will fix the transparency as per my requirement. You can do that. See, I have changed the background. Now again go to insert. From there you can go to store online, or if you have made an account for downloading pictures from internet directly, then you can log in your account with PicMe. I'm going to write awards, then I have to insert that, but for that first I have to log in. You can also do that. I'm going to download it, insert, then close the rest of the things, select the picture, minimize it as per your requirement, then fix it on your certificate. See, now the certificate is beautifully done. I'm going to show you the slideshow. You can save it, you can take a proper print out of this certificate on a certificate paper. See how beautiful is this. Thanks for watching.